Alright everybody, we're standing outside 233 College Avenue here in the west side of Lancaster, right across from the former UPMC Hospital of Lancaster, which is now being converted into apartments, as you can see by that sign right there. Let me zoom in on it. See new apartments and townhomes in the near future. Well, anyways, we're going to go in here and ride the elevators. This is a medical office building based out of UPMC. And here, before we ride the elevators, let's get a look at this atrium. This is a very nice atrium. And these are Otis with older series ones. We're going to start by going down. See basement. Here are the basement. See 3. Here on 3. Back down the basement. We'll get a cabinet going down. Pretty decent elevator for a medical office building. It's very basic though. Anyways, these are your older series 1 buttons. It's got a phone. There's your certificate. This elevator was installed in 1987. I believe this building is called the Medical Arts Building, but not 100% sure what this is. I know it's based out of UPMC, but anyways, here at the basement. And watch this. That's right, we got classic Otis leveling. Up to 1, we'll switch to the other elevator. We'll watch one go out with one floor. Here are 1. Yeah, I like that classic Otis leveling. Send this car away. We'll get the right elevator. There goes that elevator. See these exterior indicators work. Wow, all these indicators work, which is nice. Well, anyways, let's ride this elevator. To the basement. Door close button does not work on this elevator. On the left car it did. Here in the basement. Go up to 3. Again, like I said, this elevator's door close button does not work. On the left elevator, door close did work. Alright, now listen to the motor going up to 3 on this elevator. Here we go. This one has even more epic classic leveling. Back down the basement, once its door closes. And now we'll get our cab view of this elevator we're going down. Just like the other elevator, pretty decent elevator for a medical office building. It's fairly basic though. These are your older Series 1 buttons. Phone. Both cars have a 2,500 pound capacity. There's your ticket for this elevator. And here are back the basements. This car doesn't have classic leveling going down, but going up it has more epic classic leveling than the other elevator. Anyways, we're going to have it 1 once the door closes. Once one go out. And here we're back at 1. These are cool. And they'll eventually close up. And there we go, and that will be it.